I'm knackered. I'm really tired. Anyway, hope you're all doing fantastically well. Welcome back to my channel. You know, when I've heard so many times before is that why would I need to comment about the transgender issue and the transgender rights people? What is wrong with just letting them live their lives and let them call themselves whatever they want to be called? Because that would be completely common sense, right? Why would I give a shit what people want to call themselves, whether it be a man, boy, a rocket, a dog, a cat? You know, call yourself whatever you like. But the issue always stems from when they want you to do something because of the way they think, the way they feel. So in California around 4 years ago, the courts actually ruled that the people working in the health sector, certain care workers, had to use transgender pronouns. Now, I don't know if you know much about America with their First Amendment. They're able to say whatever they like, how they like, and no one can stop them. Courts, the government, anyone. You know, they have every right to do it. But it also goes in the sense that you can't force someone to say something. Now, across Europe, you know and I know that these laws, and also in Canada actually, these laws have come into effect where you have to use certain kind of person's pronouns, which is bollocks. I mean, it's the fact of just call them by George or Peter or Lucy or Sarah or whatever it is, right? But for someone to turn around to me and say by law I have to call them something, no, I would never do that. However, the great news is that in America, a court says law mandating trans pronoun use is a violation of free speech. So it's actually been told to stick it up their arse, which to me is perfect. And this is why in the nations of Europe, we all need the First Amendment. The First Amendment gives you the protection to say what you like, how you like, and no court, no law officer, no government can stop you from doing it. The only exception in that, in reference to inciting violence, if you ask someone to do something, or you're out in the street in a rally and you say, I think we should go out and attack these kinds of people, that's different. That's not what I class as free speech. No one should be mandating you to say a certain word or whatever. That's just stupidity. It's beyond stupidity. However, the fact that in America a court, in a unanimous 3-0 decision, struck down this key provision for the LGBTQ long-term care facility residence bill. So it means that America is still free. However, Europe isn't.